Hey guys, Michael here, R&D Tech at Verus Engineering, and today we have Hayden's ND Miata. Hayden dropped off his ND Miata in preparation for Grid Life Club Spec TR. We're going to leave out the underbody panels because those do not fit the rule set for this club. Here in the engine bay, we've got our AOS system, and this, what it does, it's going to pull the oil out of the intake system to reduce the likelihood of a knock event. And that oil that's in the intake system would also decrease the octane of the fuel. So we're trying to combat both of those things. And in the driver's side, we're gonna have our throttle pedal spacer. This right here is our fully installed throttle pedal spacer. This spaces up the actual height of the gas pedal, so the face of this is more closely related to the face of the brake pedal, so you can heel toe. Here we have our rear diffuser for this Miata, and it's quite simple to install. Just a couple fasteners, slips right up into the bumper using factory locations. A couple added brackets off the sway bar mount, and 2 by the exhaust, and that's it.